Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to see more such videos. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment your suggestions. Today I'll be using the Kiposi gel polish in 004 and applying a thin coat on the nail. I'll be using a UV LED lamp by DIOZO. I would like to thank DIOZO for sending this over to me. It has 4 modes: 10, 30, 60 and 120 seconds. The size of the lamp is sufficient enough to fit all your fingers at a time. Please watch the video till the end for a special discount to buy this product for all my viewers. I will be curing the nail for 60 seconds. As you can see, it also has an LED display which shows how much time is remaining for the cure to complete. Now I'll be using the Kiposi gel polish in 014 and drawing lines on the nail using a thin brush as shown. I'll cure the nail for 60 seconds. Now, using the Kiposi gel polish in 019, I will be drawing another line as shown. I will cure this for 60 seconds. Using the Kiposi top coat, I will be applying a thin top coat to seal the design, and I'll be curing it for 60 seconds again. Now I'll be using the Kiposi gel polish in 001. I'll apply a thin coat of it on the nail and cure it for 60 seconds. I'll use the Kiposi top coat to seal the design and cure it for 60 seconds. Using the Kiposi gel polish in 004, I'll be applying a thin coat on the nail and curing it. Using the Kiposi gel polish in 015. Using Kiposi gel polish in 001. Using Kiposi gel polish in 011. Using Kiposi gel polish in 018. Using the Kiposi top coat, I'll be applying a layer to seal the design and curing it. As mentioned, I have a special discount link for all my viewers to buy the DIOZO LED lamp in the description box below.